Thanks, Lowell. Tony King is here to answer your tax questions, and boy, do we have a lot of them this morning. So we're going to get started.
Very good.
Can I still file my taxes even though I claimed exempt?
When you claim exempt on your W-4, you're basically telling your employer that not to withhold any taxes from your paycheck. That could be a problem if in fact your gross income exceeds the minimum filing. So if you've already told your employer that you're not liable for any tax and nothing's withheld, so when you do file your tax return, if you have the minimum income levels, you're going to be in big trouble.
All right, yeah, you might have to owe a whole lot too. If I do have a short sale, I know the deficit will be placed on a 1099 and I will have to claim it as income. Is there a way to get around paying the taxes on the deficit?
The Mortgage Debt Relief Act of 2007 was expired in 2014, and that Relief Act allowed people to forgive the debt on a cancellation of debt. Now, fortunately, both houses of Congress passed a spending bill in late December, just a few months ago, and it extended that particular Relief Act through 2016 and possibly 2017. So if it's for your personal residence, there's a possibility that the 1099-C cancellation of debt will not be included as income. The Congress passed the bill in late December, and we believe President Obama signed it like in the last few days of December.
Wow. Okay, the next one has to do with e-filing.
Okay.
I tried to e-file my returns on Tuesday. One of the 1099-R information was rejected by the IRS because the federal ID number did not match the payer's name. It was the same number and name on the current 1099-R and one that I've used for years. I called the IRS. They said they didn't have the authority to match the federal ID number with the payer. What can I do now? That sounds like a tough one.
Yeah, just double check the input when you do your tax returns. Make sure that those ID numbers are exactly the same. If you're convinced that they are, then maybe you can call the actual payor, Fidelity, T. Rowe Price, whoever issued the 1099, and verify that the number that you see on your 1099 does in fact belong to them.
Okay. Next question. I am 85 years old. I have not had to file taxes for years. This past year, my partner, we were not married, died, leaving an unfinished slip and fall lawsuit. In his will, I was named the recipient in the case. He was not alive. The case was settled. Do I have to pay taxes on the money received? As of now, it is not an interest-bearing account.
Well, punitive damages from any kind of lawsuit are not taxable. So without knowing all of the particulars of this particular case, and it does sound like these would be punitive damages, and punitive damages are not subject to tax.
All right, Tony, we have so many more questions, but we can't get to them all today. So thank goodness you guys are going to be back. If we didn't get to your question this morning, we're going to answer them next week, so keep them coming. You can email tax questions directly to taxquestions@WBALTV.com or go to our website, WBALTV.com, and click on Consumer Alert. All right, if you'd like to get in touch with the Kings, you can call them at 410-486-4500. You can also check out their website at kingking.com. Thank you.